for me.
Yeah.
Thanks
Okay,
a lot.
fine, no problem.
Yeah. There is one mantra called Surya Mantra. We have to say in Sanskrit. I will say it and then I will say one mantra, one shlok, one mantra, and then I will perform. Okay? Heya sada savitrumandala madhyavarti Narayana sarasiga sinna vishwa Keyurvan makar kundalavan kiriti Hari Hiranmaya Vapurkhrita Shankha Chakraha Om Suryaya Namaha. This is one Surya Namaskara. Okay, there are 13 Surya Namaskaras along with 13 mantras.